This video demonstrates how to replace the glass dome on the SP-401S lighting unit. The glass dome should be replaced if it shows visible cracks, chips, or scratches that could reduce light transmission or compromise the ceiling. Replacement is required if the dome becomes cloudy as a result of sandblasting, abrasion, or mechanical impact. The procedure includes replacement of the gaskets, checking the color indicators on the ring, and properly tightening the screws to ensure watertight seal and optical accuracy. For this procedure, prepare the following tools. 4 mm Allen key, or 4 mm hex bit used with a multi-bit screwdriver. From the S4GA spare parts, prepare glass dome, gasket that goes below the glass dome, gasket that goes on top of the glass dome. For more information about available spare parts, refer to the video, Available Spare Parts for the device. Always tighten the screws to the recommended torque value for each screw used. To disconnect the solar panel cable from the lighting unit, rotate the latch counterclockwise and carefully remove it from the power connector. To remove the lighting unit from the permanent mount, start by unscrewing the 4 screws from underneath the mounting plate. Lift the lighting unit from the mounting plate. Remove the lighting unit from portable mount. Start by releasing the safety latches. Gently remove the lighting unit, being careful not to bend the rear latches. Unscrew the antenna counterclockwise by hand, and set it aside. This prevents it from bending or being damaged during the next steps. Begin by removing the 6M 5x20 screw securing the dome's ring. Now, remove the dome's ring from the housing. The gaskets must always be replaced whenever the dome ring is removed. Carefully remove the glass dome. Remove the gasket located under the dome. Clean all contact surfaces before installing the new gaskets. Install the new gaskets. Place one gasket under the dome, and one on the new glass dome. For more information about dome's gasket replacement, refer to the video. How to replace the dome's gaskets. Place the new glass dome on the housing, aligning it evenly over the gasket. Position the dome's ring on top of lamp housing. If the lamp is a portable version equipped with a metal handle, align the handle correctly before installing the dome's ring. The handle includes a semicircular cutout. Position the handle so that this cutout is aligned with the antenna mounting location on the housing. The dome ring also features small edge openings. Align these openings with the corresponding sections of the handle. Before tightening, ensure that the color stickers on the ring correspond to the actual color of the optics. Insert and tighten 6mm 5x20 screws gradually in a cross pattern to distribute pressure evenly on the gasket and maintain a watertight seal. Install the antenna by screwing it clockwise by hand. Tighten it until resistance is felt and there is no gap between the antenna and the antenna gasket. Ensure the antenna is securely seated, but do not over-tighten. Place the lamp on the base and screw it in from underneath, tightening the screws opposite each other. Use 4mm 5x10 screws for the installation. Use a 4mm hex key and tighten the screws to keep the lamp steady and secure. Before inserting the lamp, unlock and open the safety latches. Carefully insert the lamp so that the rear part hooks onto the latches holding the lamp in place. Then, close the front safety latches to lock the lamp securely in place. To connect the solar panel, look for the power connector on the side of the lighting unit. When connecting the devices, locate the thickest pin and align pin number 4 with input port number 4, or position it so that the thickest pin faces the power connector cover. Insert the connector carefully until it is fully seated in the socket, then turn the latch clockwise to lock the power cord in place. For additional information on how to replace the glass dome, please refer to the SP-401S Maintenance Manual.